Good morning, everybody. Let's talk about stuff. So, what I wanted to talk to y'all about started with this. This is an antique bowl that was my mother's, and I have had it. Oh gosh, she passed away in 1982. But she always kept this on a marble top buffet. And it is a beautiful piece. You can see the leaves that are etched. This is etched on this side under here. Beautiful bowl. And I came across it the other day on the bottom shelf of my buffet. And I came out here and put it on my bird bath. And my birds are loving it. Some of them perch right here on the edge. It's kind of scalloped so they can get their little feet gripped on it. And today my water fountain, my water feature is supposed to arrive from Amazon. And I'm going to set that right in the middle of that. Have a little fountain there. And put my little angel bird bath down here at the bottom. And I did that for the doves who are ground dwellers, for rabbits, whatever little creature needs it down there. But I'm going to talk to you about the accumulation we have of stuff. You know, my mother collected things. She collected a lot of things. I'm going to sit here thinking maybe I can see some birds in a little bit. But she had some beautiful things. She had a lot of crystal and silver and fine china. And as I grew up and moved away from home, I started collecting things like that as well. And when she passed away, I inherited a lot of her things. And I had my house absolutely loaded after a while with those things. And some things I loved, was happy to have. Some things I wasn't so fond of. And I found that I'd pack them away. Or like that bowl. They wound up on the bottom shelf of a buffet. Not used, not appreciated, not looked at. And I thought when I found it the other day, well, why am I saving that? Who am I saving that for? I'm going to use it. So I brought it out here and put it in the bird bath. Now, I'm not saying it's not of value and I don't appreciate it anymore. I'm saying I want to use it because that's what it was made for use. And at least here, I see it every day. Whereas on the bottom shelf of the buffet, it was destined to stay there, unseen, unused, unloved, until I happened to be going through there looking for something else and came across it. So at least here, it's useful. And every time I see it, I think of my mother and my childhood and some beautiful things that I've had in my life. So to me, This is the best solution. What are we saving our stuff for? I have a pair of white silk pajamas my daughter gave me one Christmas. They stayed in the bottom of a dresser drawer wrapped in tissue paper, and I never wore them. They were beautiful. One day I decided, what am I saving them for? I'm not going to be buried in them. So I took them out and I wore them. Even if I wore them just one time, at least I used them. I have given away so much stuff because I didn't have room for it when we got this little cottage. I had to give away or sell or donate lots and lots of china and silver and crystal. Things that I had no space for. They weren't things I didn't love. I did love them. But I had to go through and cull out the things that I couldn't use anymore. The things that I had no space for. And that's what I did. But I kept the bowl, and now I've decided to use it. Sometimes we need to go through our stuff, recirculate things, move them around, change the place of them, put some things up, bring other things out, and enjoy them. If they were gifts from loved ones, use them. I mean, am I saving all this stuff to go in somebody's garage sale? Gosh, I hope not. But my daughter and my son have all the things they need. And if they didn't, I'm sure they could go out and purchase whatever it is they wanted. I don't need to save my stuff or to add to their stuff. They may not want the same things I have. Use your stuff. Go get it. Take it out of the box. Take it out of the storeroom. Pull it out from under the bed. Set it out. Use it. What are you saving it for anyway? That's my message today. Use your stuff. And if it brings you joy, and that's all it does, then it's served its purpose. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope God is good to you. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.